Welcome back to the Lone Ranger Show with Bruce Woodburn, CrossCountry Mortgage. Thank you for joining me. As promised, I want to get into a few very important issues. First of all, Gen Zs. Can Gen Zs, are they really positioned to buy? Are they in as much trouble as they act like they are? Is it possible? Well, I'm going to tell you something. A lot of Gen Zs I hear a lot of complaining about. But the fact of the matter is I also see a lot of Gen Zs that are really they're making it happen. They're out there making money. They're working hard. They deal with the same challenges and they don't let the media get in their way of buying a home. So Gen Zs can buy. You guys have had it so good. And now the economy is just a little rough and you're finding it tough. Listen, you just got to find the right people that are going to guide you in the right direction to help you. And I'm right here. Listen, I'm a dad. I got two kids. They're both in their 20s. And Paige just graduated from college. Chase has been out of college for about 4 years, and he bought a house the same year he got out of college on his own. By the way, Dad did not pay the down payment. Dad didn't pay closing costs, and Dad definitely did not co-sign. But I helped position my kids so they were in a position to buy. So now, and he struggled to buy. I'm telling you, he struggled to come up with his down payment. But you got to remember, I'm the same dad that didn't buy him a car for their graduation like all their friends did. I paid for half of their car. Okay. I paid half down payment. They had to come up with the rest. So listen, my kids, I love it because they're responsible and I want to help your kids become responsible. So if you want them to do better, then help them become homeowners. Maybe, listen, if you're going to give them a down payment, it's okay. I'm not judging you for giving a down payment. I think you should. Matter of fact, I plan on when my wife and I are creating our will and trust right now. When we are finished, that money that my kids inherit, if I don't spend it all before I die, will be for real estate, period. You're not buying a new car. You're not getting a George Foreman grill. You're not buying a Boston Whaler. You're not buying that stuff. I want my kids to create amazing wealth. And it's the easiest way to do it is with real estate, folks. I mean, you got a dummy like me. I'm a 10th grade dropout. I run a multi-million-dollar organization. I'm a 10th grade dropout, you guys. Come on, I'm never the smartest guy in the room. You know what I am? I take the time to learn the things that I need to learn about so I can be a better trusted advisor for you. I work harder than the average person in my industry. I think I bend over backwards for my client more than people in our industry. I think that I look at my business the way that I would want to do business with somebody. And that's that personal touch, that caring touch, that nurturing. Because even though you think interest rate's the most important thing in a mortgage, it's definitely not the most important thing. Actually getting the mortgage is the most important thing. Rate and term are secondary. They're important, don't get me wrong. And I wouldn't be one of the top producers in the entire country if my rates were high. So I got great rates. I'm the biggest retail lender in the country, CrossCountry Mortgage, the biggest. 1 in 7 mortgages, CrossCountry Mortgage in the United States. 1 in 7. We are strong. We help with your refinancing, debt consolidation, construction loans, renovation loans, reverse mortgages. You name it. We got it. We got everything you need. Call me, man. Just call me now. You must have a friend or a family member that you need to refer to me. You must have somebody that I can help. Go to WeBringYouHome.com.